Hello, good morning to you. One thing we do notice about the weather for the week ahead is basically a dry story. With a big area of high pressure moving across us, it is going to be dry, but some problems with mist and fog, especially first thing in the morning. This is the Atlantic satellite picture. You can see a string of cloud out here. That's a weather system that will bring a little bit more rain through today and through tomorrow, but eventually that moving out the way. We all see some drier and brighter conditions really from Monday onwards. But as you can see, a thick band of cloud has pushed in across the more northern parts, and here it is producing some outbreaks of rain. The colours on here illustrating where that rain is now moving into the southwestern parts of Scotland. Still a little bit of dry weather hanging on in the southeast, and here probably the best of the brightness through the rest of the afternoon. Increasing amounts of cloud moving across us and perhaps turning a little bit more showery right up in the far northwest of Scotland. Temperatures, well, 10 or 11, feeling a little bit warmer than we felt yesterday because the wind's not quite so strong. And through tonight, that band of cloud and rain will sink its way southwards, and as it does so, the sky is clearing across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the east of Scotland, we could have figures down as low as 3 degrees, so a risk of some frost here. Now, the forecast for the next few days, well, this area of high pressure starts to drift its way northwards. Now, this goes all the way through to the end of the week. A big area of high pressure. It's with us throughout the week, but we will see increasing amounts of cloud coming around this area of high pressure. So although a dry story, it's not necessarily a sunny story, and some fog and mist first thing in the morning. On to Monday's forecast then. The last little bits and pieces of that cloud and rain moving away into France, and some fine dry weather to come across a large part of the United Kingdom. Tuesday has an added problem first thing in the morning of more of that mist and fog around, and also quite a widespread frost. Temperatures up to around 11 or 12 degrees. That's about average for the time of year. A few showers in the far north, and it's the north that sees these weather fronts through Wednesday and Thursday, drifting around the top of the area of high pressure and down through the North Sea on that northeasterly breeze. So we perhaps see a little bit more in the way of cloud across the far north of Scotland for Wednesday. But to the south of that, it's still dry, it's still fine, but still that mistiness around. And here's that increasing amount of cloud that's starting to develop in some of the more eastern counties of England, and that cloud staying with us for much of Thursday as well. Some areas like Northern Ireland could see fog lingering all day through Thursday and Friday, and the cloud perhaps thick enough in some of these more central counties during the course of Thursday and Friday to bring a little bit of light rain and drizzle at times. And we are going to see a bit of a change in the time we do Countryfile weather for next weekend on Sunday. It's going to be at 10:25 on BBC One, so don't miss it. That's all from me. Have a quick